In this session, we'll see how to install Python Interpreter. Interpreter is a tool where you can write your Python code and run it or execute it. Open the browser, go to Python's official website, that is python.org. This is Python website. Go to Downloads menu, and when you hold the mouse on the Downloads menu, it shows a menu, and from that menu you can choose this button. Click on that button, Python 3.12. It will start downloading Python Interpreter for Windows operating system. If you want to install earlier versions of Python, then choose the link below. But if you are new to Python, then I suggest you to go with the latest version. And if your PC is not running Windows, then you can choose Mac OS if it is Mac PC, or if you are running Linux operating system or Unix operating system, choose other platforms. So as of now, we'll see how to install Python on Windows. Let's click on this button, and the moment we click on this button, it will start downloading the Python interpreter. Now you can see Python interpreter is downloaded. Let's install it. So I choose the downloaded file, and the moment I choose it, it shows a installation wizard, and from this wizard I have to make one important choice. That is, if you look at this wizard, at the bottom you see a checkbox. You need to always check this. What if I don't check this? If you don't check this, then it becomes little tedious when you add packages or libraries to your Python installation or while removing them. So always it is good to check this checkbox. After that, we'll choose install now link. Now the Python installation started. You can see setup progress. It will hardly take 1 minute. In 1 minute, you will see Python interpreter is installed on your PC. As you can see on the screen, the setup is successful. Python is installed, or Python interpreter is installed successfully on our PC. Now click on start button and look for Python. So click on all apps, scroll down, and when I scroll down, I see 3 Python versions installed on my PC: Python 3.10, Python 3.11, Python 3.12. Just now we have installed Python 3.12. So just expand this folder. From this folder, choose IDLE. Click on IDLE. This is the interpreter. You can see this is the Python interpreter. Now this interpreter has 2 components. This first component is called Python shell. Here we can execute only one command at a time, something like 10 plus 20, and you hit enter. It executes one command at a time. The command can be an arithmetical expression, or it can be a logical expression, or a Boolean expression, or a text expression. So we can execute only one command at a time here, or we can execute one construct at a time. But if you want to write a program and save it, then you have to go to file menu. From the file menu, choose new file, and here we can start writing the code. So we have 2 places. The first place is Python shell. Here we can run only one statement at a time, or one command at a time, and this is useful for testing a statement, and this is useful for practice. But if you want to write a program and save it, then go to file editor. This is the one. So it looks just like a notepad. You can call it as a file editor, you can call it as a file, you can call it as an editor. So you can type some command here. Okay, in fact you can type a lot of commands here. So after writing all the commands, you need to save this file. How do you save it? Go to file menu, choose save, and you can give it any name. Let me call it as hello, and I have to type an extension .py. Py is short for Python. So we'll see another topic in the next session. Thank you.